Alright, in this video, I'll show you a system with which you can also make thousands of dollars. That basically consists of translating content. Basically you have to look for a relevant person. For example, this person is perfect for this niche, since it's a person who talks about geopolitics and has a really big audience. So basically what these channels do is translate the content to Spanish or German, since the original content is in English. And this YouTube values a lot, since you're making it so other audiences can watch that content. And basically the only thing they do is a title, a thumbnail, and that's it. Then they put subtitles or some effect, and that's it. Alright, for example, this is the original channel where that person uploads the videos. So as you see, the original channel has millions of views because it's the original creator. But, well, basically what these people are doing is translate the content to another audience. Like for example, it can be the Spanish audience. So for example, this is a good way to do it. And this strategy works well too. So here the only thing you have to do is find a video with the whiteboard in the background, since it's something really characteristic of this person. Then you'll copy the link of the video and you'll go to a website to transcribe the video, for example, this website. Here you paste the link of the video and, well, you copy the transcription. Then what I do is go to Claude. Then I paste the transcription here. Then I'll also copy this prompt that, by the way, this prompt, you have it in a document that's right below this video. So I paste the prompt here in Claude. And then I also copy basically all of this. Alright, absolutely all of these scripts. And once I copy them, well, I send them here to Claude, and then I send everything. And now, basically what Claude is going to do is analyze the script, also the title references, and it's going to ask me in what language I want the titles. I'll tell it that I want the titles in Spanish, for example. Well, now it's going to make 5 titles in Spanish. Alright, here you can see it. And, well, for the thumbnail, it's also really simple. You'll have to go to Flow. Then you go to a new project in Flow. Here you remove the agent mode. And also here, you'll have a prompt for the thumbnail. Alright, you'll have this prompt, you'll paste it here. Then you also have to copy the title of the video that Claude gave you, and you'll paste it here. Then I'll also leave you here the link to a folder where there are going to be images. Alright, for example, I have the images here. So you'll go to Flow, and you'll upload the 3 images that are inside that folder. And you'll also click here on where it says Add to Prompt. So you click here on Add to Prompt. Then you remove the name of the person, and you can already generate the thumbnail. It's pretty easy, honestly. And, well, nothing else. So there the thumbnail is going to get made. Well, to translate the video, well, you can use a lot of websites. You can use 11 Labs. You can use any website to translate a video. You can use HeyGen. You can use the websites you want. And that's it. Basically, this is just a simple tutorial of how to do this in case you didn't know. But anyway, the important thing is that you know that the strategy of translating the videos exists, and that there are a lot of people who are doing it and making money.